To take this opportunity to talk to my client, Andy, because I want to show you something, Andy, but let me illuminate it first and let me use my work light that my company manufactures. This is a 3D printed battery housing holding a Milwaukee M12 battery with 4 magnets on the bottom. So I'm going to put that right there on the inside of the wheel well. Then I'm going to take this 12-inch light stick that puts out 1300 lumens with a stainless steel custom-made swivel, nothing off the shelf, 99-pound magnet, 6061 aluminum retainer, even stainless steel screws, and a polyurethane resin sealed light bar that's IP68 waterproof rated. It looks ugly because I bent it the other day. I just straightened it out. Doesn't matter, I build them. I'll just change it out. And I'd do the same thing for you for nothing if you bought the light and this happened. But I'm going to take the light and I'm going to put it there. And then I'm going to turn it on right there. There. I'm going to turn it on. And Andy, what I wanted to show you is, even though I just did your brakes, this is your strut, your front strut. You've heard about struts. And I'm going to take my finger, and the fact that that it's all moist and wet with oil, the seal in there is leaking, and you need struts. Not going to break down if you don't do them, but it certainly does affect the ride and handling an awful lot. Anyway, for those mechanics that get to see this and you want to use a really cool work light that has more flexibility and abilities than any lights you have because of the length of this thing, 12 inches, only 14 millimeters wide, 9 millimeters thick. It can go into places that your other lights can't. I mean, you know, if it fits, you can just go anywhere you want, you know? And then after it's there, you can pivot it at any angle you want, like a ballerina, like an airplane propeller. It has such a cool reach to it. And this can go pretty much anywhere. You could even put it on the body of the car if you wanted. Right there. But generally I don't. I mount it on the inside of the wheel well like that. And this is available on Goose-Grip.com. So look for it. It's $149. It's also going to be on Amazon in a few days. And this is called the Goose-Grip Super Articulating Swivel Stick Work Light. And I know you might just think it's another light, but it's not. You can put this lights. I have all the other lights, the flip lights. You know, the lens is like 7 inches long, about 3/8 of an inch thick, maybe even thicker, and about like an inch wide. It has a big fat battery in its body, and the body gets in your way. Nothing gets in your way with this light. It's so slender, it goes into the tiniest crevices. Here, I'm going to go next to the power steering rack. I'm going to slide that right down in there. Okay? The things that you can do when you have a long, slender light and you don't have to worry about carrying a battery inside the body of the light. It just assists you in so many more jobs. You just don't know how good it will be until you have it in your hands. Look for it on Amazon, Goose-Grip, or on Goose-Grip.com. It's $149, has a lifetime warranty. That's it, I'm out.